Hidden ingredients, how processed foods increase cancer risk. Part 2. Part 2, harmful ingredients in processed foods linked to cancer. Introduction. Building on our understanding of how processed foods contribute to obesity and cancer risk, it is essential to examine specific ingredients within these foods that have been linked to cancer. By identifying these harmful components, consumers can make more informed choices and potentially reduce their exposure to carcinogens. 1. Added sugars and high-fructose corn syrup. 1. Impact on health. High intake of added sugars, particularly high-fructose corn syrup found in sweetened beverages and snacks, can lead to obesity, insulin resistance, and inflammation, all of which are risk factors for cancer. 2. Cancer connection. Elevated insulin levels from excessive sugar intake can promote cell proliferation and inhibit apoptosis, cell death, facilitating cancer development. 2. Trans fats, partially hydrogenated oils. 1. Sources, found in fried foods, baked goods, and margarine. 2. Impact on health. Trans fats raise bad cholesterol, LDL, levels and lower good cholesterol, HDL, increasing heart disease risk. 3. Cancer connection. While the link is less direct, trans fats contribute to inflammation and obesity, both of which are cancer risk factors. 3. Processed meats. 1. Examples: bacon, sausages, hot dogs, and deli meats. 2. Harmful compounds. Nitrates and nitrites, used as preservatives, they can convert into nitrosamines, which are carcinogenic. Heterocyclic amines, HCAs, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, formed during high-temperature cooking. These chemicals have been linked to stomach and colorectal cancers. 3. Cancer connection. The World Health Organization classifies processed meats as Group 1 carcinogens, meaning there is sufficient evidence of carcinogenicity in humans. 4. Artificial colors and flavors. 1. Examples: certain food dyes like red number 3 and yellow number 5. 2. Impact on health. Some artificial colors have been linked to behavioral issues in children and may contain carcinogenic contaminants. 3. Cancer connection. Studies have shown that high doses of some artificial colors can cause cancer in animals, but more research is needed to assess the risk to humans. 5. Preservatives like BHA and BHT. 1. Sources, found in cereals, potato chips, and chewing gum. 2. Impact on health, used to prevent oxidation and extend shelf life. 3. Cancer connection. The National Toxicology Program classifies butylated hydroxyanisole, BHA, as reasonably anticipated to be a human carcinogen based on animal studies. 6. Acrylamide. 1. Sources, formed in starchy foods during high-temperature cooking processes like frying or baking, for example, French fries, potato chips. 2. Impact on health. Acrylamide is a chemical that can cause DNA mutations. 3. Cancer connection, classified by the International Agency for Research on Cancer, IRC, as a probable human carcinogen. 7. Excessive sodium. 1. Impact on health. High sodium intake can lead to hypertension and cardiovascular diseases. 2. Cancer connection. Diets high in salt-preserved foods are associated with an increased risk of stomach cancer. 8. Pesticide residues. 1. Sources, found in non-organic fruits and vegetables used in processed foods. 2. Impact on health. Long-term exposure to certain pesticides may have carcinogenic effects. 3. Cancer connection. Some pesticides are classified as probable or possible human carcinogens by the ARC. 9. Genetically modified organisms, GMOs. 1. Debate. While GMOs are widely used, some argue that long-term health effects are not fully understood. 2. Cancer connection. Currently, there is no conclusive evidence linking GMOs to cancer, but concerns persist about the potential impact of increased pesticide use associated with some GMO crops. 10. Alcohol in beverages. 1. Impact on health. Alcohol is metabolized into acetaldehyde, a toxic chemical that can damage DNA. 2. Cancer connection. Alcohol consumption is a known risk factor for cancers of the mouth, throat, esophagus, liver, and breast. Conclusion. Being aware of these harmful ingredients empowers consumers to make healthier food choices. Opting for whole, unprocessed foods, reading labels carefully, and moderating the intake of known carcinogens can reduce cancer risk. While not all processed foods are harmful, understanding what goes into them is a critical step toward better health. Call to action. 1. Read labels. Familiarize yourself with ingredient lists and nutrition facts. 2. Choose whole foods. Incorporate more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your diet. 3. Limit processed meats and sugary drinks. Opt for fresh alternatives when possible. 4. Stay informed. Keep up to date with the latest research on food additives and health. By addressing the link between processed foods, obesity, and cancer, and identifying harmful ingredients, these 2 posts aim to inform and encourage healthier dietary choices. Reducing the consumption of certain processed foods can be a significant step toward lowering cancer risk and improving overall well-being. Thank you for joining me as we uncovered the hidden ingredients in processed foods that can increase cancer risk. I hope this information empowers you to make healthier choices for yourself and your loved ones. Creating these videos takes a lot of time and research, and your support makes it all worthwhile. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into health and wellness. Your engagement helps me continue bringing you valuable content. Stay informed, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Watch Processed Foods Exposed: Unveiling the Obesity and Cancer Connection Part 1.